I've been here almost 5 years. I've been with the major companies, Hobart, Ecolab, General Parts. All those companies made you feel like a number. They really didn't care about you. They just wanted numbers and wanted you to produce numbers, and just, they didn't really have any care about you. Here at Windy City, it doesn't matter if you are doing a great job or having a bad day. If you're having a bad day, you go in and talk to some of the guys. They're willing to give you a hug. They're willing to talk to you, bring you up. They're willing to support you in any way they can. You're not a number. You are family to not just the parts guys, to the technicians, to Josh and Joel that are the owners. They care about each and every one of us technicians out there. I've had numerous conversations with Josh and Joel individually, together, and their number one thing is when they ask me, how are my techs doing? What can I do to make it better for my techs? I want them to be felt welcomed here and wanted them to know that we appreciate them here. And we do it. We do it. We make sure the guys, if they need something, we try to do our best to get it for them. Or if some guys are having a bad day, we try to cheer them up. We do whatever we can. My thing, you treat every customer like grandma. You're not going to screw grandma over. You're going to treat grandma. You're going to protect grandma. And you're going to, if you're not willing to put grandma's money into a piece of equipment, don't expect the customer to put money into a piece of equipment if you're not willing to put your own money or your grandma's money into it. I say grandma because I have the utmost respect for my grandparents. So if you're gonna screw over your grandparents, this ain't the company for you. We treat everybody as family here. Every customer we treat as family. So it's a great company. I plan on staying here until I have to retire. So I got at least another 30 years, 20 years, hopefully. Other than that, it's a great company, guys. You should really check it out.